presenting a 2,956 square feet residential project developed using an integrated BIM workflow. This project was executed using industry-leading tools including Autodesk Revit for BIM modeling, Autodesk Navisworks for construction sequencing, and Lumion for 4D simulation and visual presentation. The modeling process began with client-provided PDF drawings as the base reference. Based on these inputs, a fully coordinated BIM model was developed. The model integrates architectural, structural, and mechanical components, ensuring seamless coordination and minimizing potential conflicts during construction. The roof truss system was modeled in accordance with manufacturer specifications and project requirements. Additionally, site development elements were incorporated to create a complete and context-rich project environment. The finalized Autodesk Revit model was delivered to support coordination, planning, and execution. This 4D simulation demonstrates the construction sequence level by level, clearly visualizing the assembly of major building components.